All right, so our fifth one is N2, right? So the 2, remember, means 2 atoms. So there's 2 N's that are going to be combining. Like I said, a lot of times in covalent bonds, right, the both atoms are like going to find like atoms to combine together. Okay, so N2, N is right here, looking at the periodic table. So we know that it goes 8, 7, 6, 5. So both nitrogens have 5 valence electrons. So we're just going to put 5 around it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So here we go. Okay. So now what are we going to do? We're going to look for, there we go, unpaired electrons. So we have a lot, right? In this one, we have, right, only pairs that we have are on these sides right here, right? Everything else, this red and this green one, are not paired. So I'm going to put a 1 around there, right? I also see right here that this one and this one are not paired. So I'm going to put a longer one right here around it, okay? And then I see another one between that one and that one, right? Not paired, so I'm going to take out my, well, I'm going to make another long one right here so that I can have that. Okay, so now what's different about this one is there's now 3 separate rubber bands, right? Remember, I can only fit 2, right, in each bond. So I have now, this is what we call a triple bond, right? They're stuck together in 3 different ways. So the more bonds that you create, it actually is stronger. So nitrogen is actually really, really hard to break apart, the N2. But anyway, if I'm counting this correctly, I should have 8. I know it looks a little bit messy, but I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this nitrogen has 8. Look at this nitrogen. I'm going to count the green ones first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but then 6, 7, and 8 because they're in the bonds, right? So that means that both nitrogens have a full outer ring. We're good. Let's move on to the next one.